In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable recording in GoToMeeting. This is a handy feature that allows you to save your meetings for future reference, or share them with those who couldn't attend live. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your profile settings. To do this, open your GoToMeeting application and look for the Profile section. It's usually easily accessible, typically found in the upper corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, go ahead and click on the Settings option. This is where you can adjust and personalize various aspects of your GoToMeeting experience to suit your needs. Next, you're going to want to look for the Meetings section within the settings. This is essential because it's where all the magic happens regarding organizing and managing your meetings. Click on the drop-down menu in this section. You might see a variety of options here, but the one we are interested in is labeled Content. Selecting this option will take us closer to enabling the recording feature. The Content section generally deals with how your meeting materials are managed, including recordings, so this is an important step in our process. Once you're in the Content area, you'll see an option labeled Recordings. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose between saving your recordings on your computer or in the cloud. This decision largely depends on your personal preference and needs. Saving recordings on your computer can be beneficial if you want immediate offline access or if your organization's policy requires it. Conversely, saving them on the cloud can be advantageous if you need to share them easily with team members or if you want to conserve space on your local drive. Just consider what works best for you and select the option that aligns with your requirements. Now that we've set up our preferences, let's talk about the actual recording process during a meeting. When you're ready to host a meeting, go ahead and start it as you usually would. Once the meeting has started, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You should see a record button there. It might look like a small red circle or an icon with the word Record. To start recording your meeting, simply click on this button. And that's it. You've now enabled and initiated recording for your GoToMeeting sessions. This process is straightforward and very practical, especially for those who need to refer back to meeting content or share it with absent participants. Remember, whether you're saving locally or on the cloud, always ensure that your recordings are compliant with your company's privacy and data management policies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up your meeting recordings.